Hello students, welcome to Polytechnic second semester subject mathematics. The first chapter is straight lines. Before going to start the exercise problems, once revise the formulas. The first formula is distance between 2 points is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The second one is general equation of a straight line is ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a comma b comma c are real numbers and these ABC should not be equals to 0 at a time. Next, the third one is slope or gradient. So another name for slope is gradient of a line is, so what is the line actually? Ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is minus a by b. So when the 2 points given x1 comma y1 x2 comma y2, then the slope formula is, actually slope is denoting with a small m, it is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Next, the third one is when the theta value given, the slope formula is tan theta. So total 3 formulas to find out the slope for different situations. Next, the slope of a x-axis is 0 and the slope of a y-axis is infinite. Next, the fifth formula is, for example, two lines we are taking. First line slope is m1, second line slope is m2. If the two slopes are equal, then the two lines are parallel. Next, sixth point is first line slope m1 and second line slope m2 product is equals to -1. So then the two lines are perpendicular to each other. Next, seventh one is slope intercept form. For example, slope is m, intercept means y-intercept, it is c. What is the meaning of intercept? So it is x-axis, it is a y-axis, this is a line. So this line is intersecting the y-axis at one point, that is 0 comma c. So this distance is called a c. So in this case the equation of a straight line is y equals to mx plus c. Next, eighth one is point slope form. So your point is x1 comma y1 and slope is m. So then the equation of that line is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Next, ninth one is 2-point form. So the 2 points are, one is x1 comma y1, another one is x2 comma y2. So then equation of a straight line is y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 bracket of x minus x1. Next, 10th formula is intercept form. So intercept form means, for example, here is a x-axis and it is a y-axis. One line is intersecting the y-axis and x-axis at two different places. So then this distance is called a and this distance is called a b. So it is x-intercept, it is a y-intercept. So in this case the equation of a straight line is x by a plus y by b equals to 1. The next formula is normal form or perpendicular form. So first I will draw a diagram related to this. So x-axis, y-axis. So here is our line. So first we have to write a line. The distance of a line from the origin is called a P. So the distance of a line from the origin, so here it will be 90 degrees and it is denoting with a small p. Next to alpha, alpha means here is a alpha value. So then in this case the equation of a straight line is x into cos alpha plus y into sin alpha equals to p. Next to 12th one is, let two lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. Second line is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So then angle between these two lines denoting with theta. So to find out the theta value we have a two formulas. One is cos theta, that is mod a1 b2 plus a1 a2 plus b1 b2 divided by under root a1 square plus b1 square into under root a2 square plus b2 square. Next one more formula to find out the theta, that is tan theta equals to mod a1 b2 minus a2 b1 divided by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. So here theta is a angle between two lines, but we have one more angle between the same two lines, that is pi minus theta. So it is also a angle between the two lines. Next formula, the first straight line slope is m1 given, second straight line slope is m2 given. Then to find out the angle between these two lines we have a formula with the help of m1 and m2. So that is m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. So let's take the two lines a1x plus b1y plus c1. So then the point of intersection formula is, so point of intersection means indirectly the solution x comma y equals to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is a x coordinate. Next y coordinate is c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Next formula 15th one. For example, a line ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So to find out the equation of a line which is parallel to this, so we have a formula. So what is that? Ax plus by plus k equals to 0. So that means a line which is parallel to given line, so then the equation of that line is just x and y will come as it is, only constant value will be changed. So then definitely the two lines will be parallel. And for the same equation ax plus by plus c equals 0, this equation one line is given. So for this line the perpendicular, the equation of a line which is perpendicular to this line, so the formula is bx minus ay plus k equals to 0. So here see coefficient b and coefficient of x interchanged and symbol also changed, plus became minus and constant value will be changed. So this is a formula to find out the equation of a line which is perpendicular to given line. And what is k here? K is a constant number. So the next formula is 17th one. So let's take a one line ax plus by plus c equals to 0 and a line which is parallel to this line and passing through one point x1 comma y1. So in this case, the equation of a line formula is a bracket of x minus x1 plus b bracket of y minus y1 equals to 0. Next, 18th one, same one line is given. So the equation of a line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c equals 0 and passing through a point x1 comma y1, then the equation of a line is b into x minus x1 minus a into y minus y1 equals to 0. Next formula, 19th one. The perpendicular distance of a line ax plus by plus c equals 0 from a point x1 comma y1 is. Observe the diagram. So this is a line ax plus by plus c equals 0. Perpendicular distance from a point x1 comma y1. So let's take the point P, which is x1 comma y1. From this point, a perpendicular distance to this line. So to find this distance, we have a formula that is mod ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by under root a square plus b square. So last formula, distance between two parallel lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0 is mod c1 minus c2 divided by under root a square plus b square. Sorry, here parallel lines means coefficients must be same and constants numbers will be different. So that is why ax plus by plus c1 equals 0 one line, again ax plus by plus c2 equals to another line. So then the distance between these two parallel lines is mod c1 minus c2 divided by under root a square plus b square. The first question, the distance between the parallel straight lines 3x plus 4y minus 3 equals 0 and 6x plus 8y minus 1 equals to 0. So this question asked in the 2017 year. He gave 4 options. So he said parallel straight lines. So that means x coefficient must be same, y coefficient also same. But here what happened, different coefficients are given. So that is why the first equation 3x plus 4y minus 3 equals to 0 and the second equation is 6x plus 8y minus 1 equals 0. So take the 2 common from this equation. So 3x plus 4y minus 1 by 2 equals to 0. So 3x plus 4y minus 1 by 2 equals to 0. These are equation 1 and these are equation 2. Now the distance between the parallel straight line formula is mod c1 minus c2 divided by under root a square plus b square. So mod c1 means constant number in the first equation minus 3 minus c2 means constant number in the second equation minus of minus 1 by 2. So divided by under root a square plus b square. That means x coefficient. So that is 3 square. Next to b square means y coefficient 4 square. So let's simplify this. So mod minus 3 minus of minus plus 1 by 2 divided by under root 3 square plus 4 square is 25. So mod minus 3 2s are 6 plus 1 divided by 2 divided by root 25, answer is 5. Minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5 by 2 mod divided by 5. So then mod minus 5 by 2 is plus 5 by 2 divided by 5. So 5 by 2 into 1 by 5. So 5 cancel 1 by 2. So the option 1 is correct. Next question. Angle between the lines 3x minus 5y minus 9 equals 0 and 4x minus y plus 7 equals 0. So this question asked in 2017. So the formula is, now compare the first equation with this and second equation with this and substitute the values in the formula. So mod a1 that is 3, so b2 is minus 1, minus a2 4 b1 that is minus 5 divided by a1 into a2. So it is equals to mod 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 4 5s are 20 divided by 3 4s are 12 minus 5 into minus 1 is plus 5. So minus 3 plus 20 is 17 divided by 12 plus 5 it is also 17. 17 cancel, it is equals to 1. So then the tan theta answer is 1. But one can write as a tan 45 degrees. So tan cancel, theta value 45 degrees. So option 2 is correct. Next, the third question is, if n is the length of a perpendicular from the point 3 comma minus 2 to the straight line L 12x minus 5y plus 6 equals 0. Next, m is the distance of a line L equals to 0 from 12x minus 5y minus 7 equals to 0. Then which relation will be exist? So let's find out the n value first of all. So first the given equation is what? L equals to 0. So 12x minus 5y plus 6 equals to 0. So compare with the standard form, that is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Next one point is given, that is 3 comma minus 2. 3 comma minus 2. It is compared with x1 comma y1. So length of a perpendicular from this point to this line, the suitable formula is mod ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by under root a square plus b square, and this length is denoted with small n as per the question. So then it is equals to ax1 means a is a 12, x1 means 3 plus b means minus 5 into y1 that is minus 2 plus c that is 6 divided by under root a square plus b square, a value 12 square plus b value minus 5 whole square. So 12 3s are 36, 10 next plus 6 divided by 12 square is 144 and 5 square 25, so it is 169. So it is equals to 52 divided by 13, 13 ones are 13 fours are 52. So the finally n value equals to how much? N value is 4. Next, to find out the m value. M is called distance of a line L equals 0. L equals 0 means this one. So from this line, so observe the two lines. Here x coefficient same, y coefficient same. So that means these two equations are parallel lines. So indirectly distance between the parallel lines formula. So that is mod c1 minus c2 divided by under root a square plus b square, and as per the question this distance is denoted with a small m. So mod c1 means here the constant number 6 minus c2 means another constant number minus 7 divided by under root a square plus b square. A means x coefficient 12 square and b means y coefficient minus 5 whole square. So it is equals to mod 6 plus 7 divided by under root 12 square 144, 5 square 25, so total 169. So 6 plus 7 is 13 by 13. So it is equals to what? 1. So what is the m value? M equals to 1. Now observe the four options. So here n equals to 4 into m. Why? Because 4 equals to, see here, n equals to 4 into m means what? N equals to 4 into m. N value 4, 4 into m value 1. So it is equals to 4 equals to 4. So this relation is correct. Next, fourth question is the equation of a straight line passing through 2 comma 3. So it is actually 2 comma 3 and perpendicular to the line 4x minus 3y equals to 10 is. So first of all, let's write the given equation in the standard form. So 4x minus 3y equals to 10. So 4x minus 3y minus 10 equals to 0. So let's compare with the standard form ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So now the required equation is what? Straight line passing through 2 comma 3 and perpendicular to the line. So The suitable formula for this is bx minus ay and plus k equals to 0. So b means what? Minus 3 is a b, x minus a means 4 into y, k means is a constant number. So let's find out the constant number. But this line is passing through 2 comma 3, so then substitute x equals to 2 comma y equals to 3, then you will get the k value. So minus 3 into 2 minus 4 into 3 plus k equals to 0, minus 6 minus 12 plus k equals to 0. So it is implies k equals to minus 6 minus 12 minus 18. So finally k value is 18. So then our required answer is substitute this k equals to 18 in this. So minus 3x minus 4y plus 18 equals to 0. So minus 3x, let's take the minus common because the options are not available here. This option is not given. So minus common, then 3x plus 4y minus 18 equals 0. Then 3x plus 4y minus 18 equals to 0. So now observe the options. So 3x plus 4y minus 18, option 2 is correct. Next to fifth question is, L is a straight line passing through the point P 1 comma 2. So here 1 comma 2 such that P bisect the portion of the line intersected between the coordinate axes, then the perpendicular distance of the line L from the origin is. Let's draw a one diagram. So here is a x-axis and it is a y-axis. As per the question, line intercepted the between the coordinate axis. So that means here is a line here intersecting the x-axis at a comma 0, and here intersecting the y-axis at 0 comma b, and the P point is bisecting this line. Bisecting means exactly in the middle point of this line. So P 1 comma 2, and what he is asking, then the perpendicular distance of the line L from the origin. Line L means this is a line L, perpendicular distance from the origin. So origin means this is a origin O, from this point to this line the perpendicular distance. So this answer we have to find out. But first of all we need a equation for this line. Let us find it. So as per the question, P is a midpoint of this line L. So then P1 comma 2 is equals to the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So 1 comma 2 is a midpoint of the line, but actually for that line 2 points are given. One is a comma 0 and b 0 comma b. So then 0 plus a by 2 comma y1 0 plus b by 2. Now equate the x coordinates. 1 equals to 0 plus a by 2, then a equals to 2. Equate the y coordinates. 2 equals to 0 plus b by 2, so it is equals to 4 is a b value. So b equals to 4. So a equals to 2 means x-intercept, b means y-intercept. So to find out the equation of a straight line, use this formula x by a plus y by b equals to 1. So here x-intercept is a, y-intercept is b. So x by 2 plus y by 4 equals to 1. Let's simplify this. So 2x plus y minus 4 equals to 0 is a. So now it is compared with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Now we need to find out the perpendicular distance from origin to this straight line. So origin means 0 comma 0. So take it as a x1 comma y1, and here is a line. So then the suitable formula is ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by under root a square plus b square. So it is equals to a means 2 into x1 means 0, b means 1 into y1 is 0, and c means minus 4 divided by under root a square plus b square. So 2 square plus 1 square. So then it is equals to 2 into 0 0, 1 into 0 is a 0, then overall minus 4 divided by 2 square 4, 4 plus 1 is 5 mod. So mod can remove it, then minus 4 will become plus 4, 4 by root 5. So then option 4 is the correct answer. Next, sixth question is the equation of a straight line which makes two intercepts r and s. Intercepts means x-intercept and y-intercept. R is a x-intercept, s is a y-intercept on the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means x-axis and y-axis. Such that r plus s equals to 5 and r into s equals to 6 is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Then what is a plus b plus c? First of all, let us find out the r and s values. So the given conditions are, one is r plus s equals to 6, sorry, r plus s equals to 5. Next, r into s equals to 6. So to find out the r and s value, use this formula: a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equals to 4 into a into b. Similarly, r plus s whole square minus r minus s whole square equals to 4 into r into s. R plus s 5 square, r minus s required 4 into r into s is 6. 25 minus r minus s whole square equals to 4 6 are 24. So then 25 minus 24 equals to r minus s whole square. 1 equals to r minus s whole square. Then r minus s equals to under root 1. R minus s equals to 1. So now select this as a equation 1 and it is a equation 2. Using the elimination method, let's add the both equations. Now s minus s cancel, 2r equals to 6, r equals to 3. Substitute this r equals to 3 in any equation. I am substituting in equation 1. So 3 plus s equals to 5, s equals to 5 minus 3, s equals to 2. Finally, we got the two intercept answers. So to find out the equation, I am using the two intercept form. X by a plus y by b equals to 1. X by a means x-intercept, y by b means y-intercept. So substitute the r and s values. R value 3, y by s value 2 equals to 1. So then the LCM is, finally the equation is 2x plus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. So this equation compare with the given equation in the question, that is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Then he is asking what is a plus b plus c answer. A value 2, b value 3 and c value is minus 6. So 5 minus 6 it is equals to minus 1. So option 4 is correct. Next, to practice ECET questions. The first question is the angle between the two lines having the slopes 3 by 4 and minus 1 by 7. Let m1 equals to 3 by 4, m2 equals to minus 1 by 7. So the slopes of the two straight lines given, then the angle between two lines is what? So the suitable formula is tan theta equals to mod m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. So substitute the m1 and m2 values. M1 value 3 by 4 minus m2 value minus 1 by 7. So it is equals to 3 by 4 minus or minus plus 1 by 7 divided by 1 minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. So that is why minus 3, 4 7s are 28. So now first simplify the numerator. Here LCM is 28, 7 3s are 21, 4 1s are 4 divided by, here LCM is 28. So 28 minus 3 divided by 28. Here 28 cancel and of course mod symbol also. So next one is, so 21 plus 4 is 25 divided by 28 minus 3 it is also 25. So now we can remove the mod. 25 cancel 1. So then tan theta equals to 1 answer, but 1 can write as a tan 45 degrees. So then tan cancel, theta equals to 45 degrees. So 45 means it is equals to 5 by 4. So option 3 is correct. Next, second question is the angle between the lines 2x plus y plus 8 equals 0 and 3x minus y plus 5 equals to 0. First equation compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. Second equation compare with a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So then the suitable formula is, so in this substitute the values tan theta. A1 means x coefficient 2, b2 means y coefficient minus 1, minus a2 means x coefficient 3, b1 means here y coefficient is 1 divided by a1 2 into 3 plus b2 1 into minus 1. So it is equals to 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 divided by 2 3 is 6 minus 1. So minus 5 by 5. So it is equals to 1. Then tan theta equals to 1. But one can write as a tan 45 degrees. So then we can cancel the tan on both sides. Theta equals to 45. 45 means 5 by 4. So option 3 is correct. Next, third question is the angle between the lines formed by joining the points 2 comma minus 3 minus 5 comma 1 and 7 comma minus 1 0 comma 3. So for these 2 points I am going to find out the slope m1, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y21 y1 is minus 3 divided by x2 minus x1 minus 5 minus x1 is 2. So 1 plus 3 divided by minus 7. So it is equals to minus 4 by 7 is a m1 answer. Next to m2 for these 2 points. So m2 y2 minus y1 3 minus of minus 1 divided by x2 minus x1 0 minus 7. So 3 plus 1 by minus 7. So 4 minus 4 by 7. So here observe carefully. First straight line slope is minus 4 by 7. Second straight line slope also minus 4 by 7. So the slopes are equal of two straight lines. So that means they are a parallel lines. So the angle between the parallel lines is 0 degrees. Next, fourth question is the angle between the line joining 1 comma minus 2 3 comma 2 and the line x plus 2y minus 7 equals to 0. So first slope for these 2 points, because these two are belongs to one straight line. So m1 equals to, so it is equals to y2 2 minus of minus 2 divided by x2 3 minus 1, 2 minus of minus 2 2 plus 2 3 minus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4 by 2, 4 by 2 answer is 2. So m1 value is 2. Next to find out the slope for this straight line. So here x plus 2y minus 7 equals 0. Compare with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So then slope of this straight line denoting with the m2. So then the formula is minus a by b. So minus 1 by 2. So once you observe the m1 and m2, let's find its product. 2 into minus 1 by 2. So 2 cancel, it is equals to minus 1. The product of the two slopes is minus 1. That means they are a perpendicular straight lines. So then the angle between the two perpendicular lines is 90 degrees. So option 2 is correct. Next, fifth question is if the line 2x plus 3y plus 5 equals 0 and kx plus 6y plus 7 equals 0 are parallel, then k value how much? So compare with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So then find its slope denoting with m1, that is minus a by b. So minus 2 by 3. Next, second straight line kx plus 6y plus 7 equals 0. Its slope is m2. The formula is minus a by b. So minus k by 6. But as per the question, the two straight lines are parallel. So that means the two slopes are equal. So m1 is minus 2 by 3, m2 is minus k by 6. So we can cancel the minus on both sides. So 2 by 3 into 6 equals to k. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So k equals to 2 twos are 4 answer. So option 2 is correct. Next, the sixth question is, if the line 5x plus 3y plus 7 equals 0 and kx minus 7y plus 8 equals 0 are perpendicular, then the value of k is what? This equation compare with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Then find its slope denoting with m1, though minus a by b is a slope formula. So minus 5 by 3. Next we have one more equation, kx minus 7y plus 8 equals 0. So its slope is m2. So minus a by b. So minus k by minus 7. Minus minus cancel, k by 7. But these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Then the condition is m1 into m2 equals to minus 1. So m1 is minus 5 by 3 and m2 is k by 7 equals to minus 1. So then k value is minus 1 into 7 into 3 by minus 5. So minus minus cancel, k equals 7 3 is 21 by 5. So the required answer is option 4. Next, the seventh question is, the perpendicular distance from 1 comma 2 to the straight line 12x plus 5y equals to 7. So the given point is 1 comma 2. So compare with x1 comma y1, and the given line is 12x plus 5y equals to 7. So compare with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So then perpendicular distance from this point to this straight line, the formula is mod ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by under root a square plus b square. So a means 12, x1 means 1 plus b means 5, y1 means 2 plus c means minus 7. So divided by under root a square plus b square. A value 12 and b value is 5. So next it is equals to 12 plus 5 2s are 10 minus 7 divided by 12 square 144, 5 square 25, so total 169. So 12 plus 10 22, 22 minus 7 is 15 divided root 169 is 13. So 15 by 13 is a perpendicular distance. So option 4 is correct. Next, eighth question is, the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 4 is. So here equation to the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular means 90 degrees, bisector means the midpoint of the line joining 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 4. So let's find out the midpoint for 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 4. So it is equals to 1 plus 3 divided by 2, 2 plus 4 divided by 2, 1 plus 3 4, 4 by 2 2, 2 plus 4 6, 6 by 2 is 3. And find out the slope for the same line, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 value 4 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 1, y 4 minus 2 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, so 2 by 2 answer is 1. But our required line is perpendicular to this line, so that means their slopes product will be equals to minus 1. So required line slope is m1 and the given line slope is m2. So that means this, when you take it as a m2, it is equals to minus 1. So m1 into 1 equals to minus 1. So m1 equals to minus 1. So then finally 1.2 comma 3 and one slope minus 1. So then it is a perpendicular bisector, value can find out. So 1.2 comma 3 and one slope minus 1. So use point slope form. So y minus y1 3 m minus 1 into x minus x1, that is 2. So y minus 3 equals to minus x plus 2, y minus 3 plus x minus 2 equals to 0. So x plus y minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 equals to 0. So then the required answer is x plus 5 minus 5 equals 0. Option 2 is correct. Next, ninth question is, the equation of a straight line making an intercept of 3 units on y-axis and inclined at 45 degrees to the x-axis is. So here making intercept of 3 units on y-axis means it is denoting with C 3 units. Next to inclined at 45 degrees to the x-axis means that is theta, it is equals to 45 degrees. So he gave intercept. Next we need a slope. So to find out the slope, the formula is m equals to tan theta. So m equals to tan 45 degrees. So tan 45 degrees is 1. So m equals to 1 and intercept c equals to 3. So then slope intercept form. The slope intercept form is y equals to mx plus c. So y equals to m value 1, x and c value is 3. So x plus 3 minus y equals to 0. X minus y plus 3 equals to 0. But observe the options y equals to x plus 3. Option 2 is correct. Next 10th question is the equation of the line passing through minus 4 comma 3 and having intercept equal in magnitude but opposite in sign is. So use the slope intercept form, that is x by a plus y by b equals to 1. But as per the question, intercepts are equal in magnitude. Magnitude means value and opposite in sign. So that means a equals to b, but opposite in the sign means minus. So a equals to minus b. Substitute this value in this in above equation. X by minus b plus y by b equals to 1. X by minus b means minus x by b plus y by b equals to 1. Now the LCM is b. Minus x plus y equals to 1. Minus x plus y equals to b. But as per the question, the line is passing through minus 4 comma 3. So then substitute x equals to minus 4, y equals to 3. So then minus of minus 4 plus y value 3, it is equals to b. So 4 plus 3 equals to b. So b equals to 7. So b value 7. Next to, but a equals to what? A equals to minus b. So a equals to minus 7. So now substitute the a and b values in our required equation, that is slope intercept form. So x by a plus y by b equals to 1. So x by a value minus 7 plus y by b value 7 equals to 1. So minus x by 7 plus y by 7 equals to 1. So take the LCM. 7 is LCM. Minus x plus y equals to 1. So minus x plus y equals to 7. So minus x plus y minus 7 equals 0. Take the minus common. X minus y plus 7 equals to 0. So x minus y plus 7 equals to 0 is our required answer. So option 4 is correct. Next 11th question is the equation of the straight line passing through the point 4 comma 3 and making intercept on the coordinate axis whose sum is minus 1 is. The two intercept form is my x by a plus y by b equals to 1. So here a is a x intercept and b is a y intercept, but as per the question sum of these two intercepts equals to minus 1, then a equals to minus 1 minus b. So substitute this value in the two intercept form. So x by minus 1 minus b plus y by b equals to 1. So next take the minus common in the denominator. So 1 plus b plus y by b. So minus can write in the numerator place minus x divided by 1 plus b plus y by b equals to 1. So now take the LCM. 1 plus b into b is a LCM. So minus x into b plus y into 1 plus b equals to 1. So minus xb plus yb equals to 1 into 1 plus b into b is 1 plus b into b. But this line is passing through the point 4 comma 3. So then substitute x equals to 4 and y equals to 3. So minus 4 into b plus y 3 into b equals to 1 into b is b into b square. So minus 4b plus 3b. So it is equals to b plus b square. So b plus b square, transpose these three terms to RHS side. So plus 4b Next minus 3 minus 3b equals to 0. So b square, b plus 4b 5b, 5b minus 3b is 2b. Next the constant number is 3 equals to 0. So do factorization to find out the b value here. So b square, 2b I am writing as a 3b minus b. So minus 3 equals 0. Take the b common, b plus 3 minus 1 common, b plus 3 equals to 0. So now b plus 3 is common. So into b minus 1 equals 0. So b plus 3 equals 0, one answer, b minus 1 equals 0. So b equals to minus 3, b equals to 1. So we got two b values. First one, if b equals to minus 3, then a value is what? Minus 1 minus b. So minus 1 minus of minus 3. So that is 2. Next, if b equals to 1, so then a equals to minus 1 minus b. So minus 1 minus 1. So it is equals to minus 2. So in the first case, a equals to 2, b equals to minus 3. So then the required answer is x by a plus y by b equals to 1. So in this substitute the a value and b value. So x value 2 plus y value, y by b value is minus 3 equals to 1. So x by 2 minus y by 3 equals to 1. So finally 3x minus 2y, 2 3s are 6, minus 6 equals to 0. But this answer is not available in the option. So in the option x by 2 plus y by 3 equals to 1 is there. Next, in the second case, a equals to minus 2, b equals to 1. So then x by a plus y by b equals to 1. So the required answer is x by a value minus 2 plus y by b value is 1. So it is equals to 1. So here option 2 is correct. Next, 12th question is, the equation of the line passing through the point P 3, 4 such that P bisect the part intercepted between the axes is. Let's draw one diagram. So here is a x-axis and this is a y-axis. So here the line passing through the point P 3, 4 such that P bisect the part intercepted between the axes. So that means this is a line. This line intersecting the x-axis at a, 0. And this line will intersect the y-axis at 0, b, and the point P is bisecting this line. That means exactly middle point. So P 3, 4. So then he's asking what is the equation for this line. So first of all, let us find out the a and b values. So to find out the a and b values, use a midpoint formula. From the figure, the midpoint is 3, 4 and x1 is a, x2 is 0 by 2, 0 plus b by 2. So 3, 4 equals to a plus 0, a by 2, 0 plus b is b by 2. Equating the coordinates on both sides. So 3 equals to a by 2, one answer, 4 equals to b by 2, another answer. Then a value 6, b value 8. So to find out the required equation, use the two intercept to form x by a plus y by b equals to 1. So x by 6 plus y by 8 equals to 1. The LCM of 6, 8 is 24. 24 in 6 table 4. So 4x plus 8 3s are 3y equals to 1. So 4x plus 3y minus 24 equals to 0 is a required equation. So which option is correct here? Option 3 is correct. Next, 13th question is, if the point of intersection of the lines kx plus 4y plus 2 equals 0 and x minus 3y plus 5 equals 0 lies on 2x plus 7y minus 3 equals 0, then what is the k value? So the first equation comparing with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. Next, second equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Let us find out the point of intersection of these two lines. So the suitable formula is, so in this substitute the values. So b1 that is 4, c2 that is 5, minus b2. So it is equals to 4 5 are 26 divided by minus 3k minus 4 comma 2 minus 5k divided by minus 3k minus 4. So it is equals to 26 divided by minus 3k minus 4. So this is a point of intersection. This point of intersection lies on 2x plus 7y minus 3 equals 0. Lies nothing but substitute the x and y values in the 2x plus 7y minus 3 equals to 0. So 2 bracket of x value is 26 divided by minus 3k minus 4 plus 7 into y value is 2 minus 5k divided by minus 3k minus 4. So minus 3 equals to 0. So here the LCM is minus 3k minus 4, then 2 into 26 plus 7 into 2 minus 5k, next to minus 3 into minus 3k minus 4 equals to 0. 2 into 26 52, 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35k, minus into minus plus 9, 9k minus into minus plus 3 4s are 12, and 0 into minus 3k minus 4 is 0. 78 minus 26k equals to 0, then 78 equals to 26k. So 78 divided by 26 equals to k. 26 ones are 26 threes are 78, so then k value is 3. So option 3 is correct. Next to 14th question is the equation of the line passing through the point of intersection of the lines x minus 3y plus 2 equals 0 and 2x plus 5y minus 7 equals 0 and perpendicular to the line 3x plus 2y plus 5 equals to 0 is. The given equation is, first one is compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. Next second equation is compare with a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So to find out the point of intersection, use a formula that is b1 c2. So substitute the values in this b1. So what is the b1? Minus 3. Next to c2, that is minus 7 minus b2. So it is equals to 21 minus 10 divided by 5 plus 6 comma 4 plus 7 divided by 5 plus 6. So it is equals to 11 by 11 comma 11 by 11. So it is 1 comma 1. Next the required line is perpendicular to this line. So what is that? 3x plus 2y plus 5 equals to 0. Compare with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So the required line is perpendicular to this line. So then the formula is bx minus ay plus k equals to 0. But this line is passing through 1 comma 1. So then substitute x equals to 1, y equals to 1. So b into, sorry, here b value is how much? B value means 2 into x value 1 minus a value, that is 3, and y value 1 plus k equals to 0. So 2 minus 3 plus k equals 0, minus 1 plus k equals 0, then k equals to 1. So therefore the required line is, so finally bx minus ay plus k equals 0, b value 2 and 2x minus 3y, k value is 1 equals to 0 is a required line. So 2x minus 3y plus 1, option 1 is correct. Next to 15th question is the equation of the line passing through the point of intersection of the lines 5x minus 2y equals to 12, 4x minus 7y minus 15 equals 0 and parallel to 3x minus 2y plus 5 equals to 0 is. So let us write in the standard form 5x minus 2y minus 12 equals 0 and compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. Next, second equation, compare with a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals. In this, substitute the values b1, c2. b1 is, so it is equals to 30 minus 84 divided by minus 35 plus 8, comma, minus 48 plus 75 divided by minus 35 plus. So it is equals to minus 54 divided by minus 27, comma, 27 divided by minus 27. So it is equals to 2 comma minus 1. So now the required line is parallel to 3x minus 2y plus 5 equals 0. So 3x minus 2y plus 5 equals 0. Compare with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Then the required line will becomes ax plus by plus k equals to 0. So a means 3x plus by means minus 2y. So just one constant number will be changed because the line is parallel to 3x minus 2y plus 5 equals 0. But this line is passing through a point 2 comma minus 1. So substitute x equals to 2, y equals to minus 1. So 3 into 2 minus 2 into minus 1 plus k equals to 0. 6 plus 2 plus k equals to 0. So then k equals to minus 8. So substitute this value in the box. So then the required line is 3x minus 2y plus k equals to 0. 3x minus 2y plus k value minus 8 equals to 0. So then option 3 is correct.